So let's start with the 58th example. And now what is said, suppose the platform with the kid in the previous problem is rotating with and in anti-clockwise direction at an angular speed omega. Okay, so that is the platform. Its inertia is already given I in the previous problem. This is the kid of mass m, and both are rotating with omega. So the initial angular momentum of the system will be equal to inertia of platform plus inertia of the child into omega with which is rotating. Now as the child starts walking along the platform, then in that case the velocity of kid with respect to platform is given, that is v. So that would be velocity of kid minus velocity of the point on the platform, which is v. Now velocity of this point on the platform is basically r omega dash, where omega dash the final speed with which the platform is rotating. As the platform is rotating anti-clockwise, so I have taken here direction wrongly. I have taken here, it is rotating in anti-clockwise sense, so this will also going in the anti-clockwise sense here also. Okay, like this. So it will be v. So the net speed of the kid will be equal to v plus r omega dash. So the final angular momentum I can write here. The final angular momentum will be equal to I into omega dash of the platform plus mv dash r of the kid, where v dash is given. So I omega dash plus m in bracket v plus r omega into r. Now I can say that the angular momentum initial must be equal to angular momentum final. So it will be I plus mr square into omega is equal to I omega dash plus m in bracket v plus r omega into r. Okay, now I can find this. So I plus mr square into omega is equal to I omega dash plus, this is omega dash, so this will be mvr plus mr square omega dash. We need to find omega dash here. So let's take the next slide. So I plus mr square omega will be equal to omega dash I plus m. So I can take omega dash as common, so it will be I plus mr square, I plus mr square, and what remain here is mvr plus mvr. So I plus mr square omega minus mvr is equal to omega dash in bracket I plus mr square. We need to find omega dash, so omega dash would be equal to I plus mr square into omega minus mvr whole divided by I plus mr square. So I can shift I plus omega upon this thing here minus mvr upon I plus mr square here. So I plus mr square cancel, so omega will be equal to, so new angular speed will be equal to omega minus mvr upon I plus mr square. Okay, so here the critical step in this problem is this: when the child start walking with respect to platform, then here the velocity of the point on the platform must be taken the final velocity of the platform, not the initial one. So keep in mind. Okay, thank you.